Basically, I am gonna exploit a CVE. CVE is basically a common vulnerability exposure. CVE means like a weakness in a computer system through which a hacker can hack and get access to it. Yeah. So our CVE today is CVE 2023-32784. So it is a memory leakage vulnerability in Keepass in all the versions from 2.0 till 2.54. So Keepass is basically it is a password manager where we can store our passwords. Now the vulnerability allows the attacker to recover the master password by analyzing the leftover strings in the memory. Now the vulnerability exists due to the Keepass secure text box EX, which retains the character strings. Also, we have the POC available, which is known as Keepass master password dumper, through which we can actually gain the password that was set by the victim. Now, under what circumstances can it be done? So for that we will need a physical access to a device and the access to the memory dump, and then it is applicable on memory types like Keepass process dump or the RAM dump. And for this vulnerability, we don't need any RC. RC is basically a remote code execution, but we only need this memory dump access. Now, the attack is viable even if Keepass is locked or closed. Those success decreases over time. So it means that even though we have closed the Keepass password manager, we can still access it and we can gain the password. The attacker can gain the password. Now, the outcome of this vulnerability is that attacker can recover the master password and he can access all the stored credentials. Now, it is a high risk vulnerability because it's simply a data breach. So the POC tool can recover most of the master password characters, including the first characters. Yeah. So now I'm going to show you guys the exploit, how it works. So I have my Windows 10 virtual machine. So basically now I'm going to do the exploit. We can do it in Mac also, on Debian also. For that we only need .NET. So let's get started. Just give me a moment, guys. It's loading and it might not take some time because it's a VM. And for now I'm using the VMware. Alright guys, so we got the Windows 10 now. First of all, I have to go to the Keepass password manager, and Keepass, it is an open source password manager, so which means it's free, to be honest. Let's get started. Now we got Keepass. It's loading. It's might gonna take some time. All right, here we go. Now we have to enter the master password. I've entered the master password. Now I've got the access of the Keepass database. Now I am going to the task manager. Task manager has the is basically all the tasks or the processes that are running in your computer. It has all the processes. So now after going here, I have to create a dump file. Create dump file. Now we need to find the directory of the dump file. And this dump file has all the password strings that I saved in my master password. I'm going to copy it, and now I have already downloaded a POC. POC is basically the proof of concept. So simply, it is a tool that we are going to use to exploit this vulnerability, because this vulnerability will show us our password. So let me paste this here. Now I'm simply gonna change the name of it. Alright, so the name is keepass.dmp. Now for that we need to use the Windows command line, cmd. So I'm gonna enter the command cmd. So we got the Windows command prompt. Now I have to change directory to the POC. So basically I'm just writing it to get to the POC. It is simply the directory. Just give me a moment, guys. Keepass password dumper main. Alright, so now our directory changed. Now if I run this command directory, so you can see that we have the dump file here. It has all the password strings of the master password of Keepass. Now I'm just simply gonna run .NET run, and I'm just simply gonna type the name of the file Keepass .dmp, and now I'm just simply going to run it, and it will show me the master password. Can you guys see the passwords here? These are all the password strings. So except the first character, it is going to show you all the password that I set. So my password was user. So it has basically showed me all my password that I set it. So that's the vulnerability.